what you think about this, that writing an autobiography at 29.
I think it's new. It's different. I think people do not achieve what she's achieved, even if they have to be born in 3 lifetimes. And they remember the last one, the previous one, they remember it, and they keep on coming back, coming back, coming back. They'll not be able to achieve what she's achieved for herself. So at 29, I think she had a lot to say. So before she forgets what she wanted to say, I thought that was a very wise, sensible decision for her to write her autobiography. Iske baad, there's going to be a part 2, 3, 4, because she's an achiever and she's going to keep on achieving.
Yes. So Sania runs a tennis academy herself where she nurtures talent from the country, and this is her way of giving back to the society. And you know, you do a similar venture with Being Human. So talk to us a little about this.
I think it's incredible that she's doing this because, how do I put this? Why do you want to encourage competition in this country? Akeli chal rahi hai, akeli chalo.
Because I'm not going to be like how you are acting for the last so many years and be number one. I cannot be. That I know for sure. So
She's going to be here for
I'm not going to be.
long while. It's incredible. I mean, to give back is the most difficult thing to do, actually. And some people do it so easily that, you know, आजकल, if you do a good deed, उसके लिए compliment मिलता है आपको, oh, what a nice deed you've done. But these deeds were very common earlier. It's just that they become so rare. This is in every human being has to be like that. But इतना rare हो गया ये कि किसी ने एक अच्छी चीज़ की तो उसकी बहुत तारीफ हो जाती है. So I don't think that ये जो आप कर रही हो ये बहुत कमाल कर रही हो, क्योंकि मुझे पता है कि कमाल आप आगे जाके करोगी. This is just the beginning.
That's true. I mean, I just want to add here, like Salman said, I know him since I was 16 and I've seen the way he does give back, you know, in so many different ways, whether it's Being Human, whether I've seen him how he is with people, and to me, I have learned that from him in a lot of different ways, and whether you know it or not, I have. And I know we were joking saying that we've never had this serious a conversation in the last 14 years between us. So
No, to give back, she has definitely learned from me.
yes, I have learned from him.
So I don't know if you've gotten the chance to read the complete book, but throughout the book, Sania has mentioned how you know, she started from a very simple life and there were a lot of struggles. So tell us, what do you think is you know, a person needs in life to be successful like both of you are?
Struggle to bhai karna hai. I don't think anyone has made it without a struggle. So all the people who have not made it have never struggled. Most of them. They've not struggled as hard as the other person is. हमको सबको ऐसा लगता है कि we are really working really hard, कि बहुत मेहनत कर रहे हैं हम. लेकिन आपको ये पता नहीं है कि जो दूसरा है, जो अगला है, वो आपसे 3 गुना ज़्यादा मेहनत कर रहा है. So you always need to be working 10 times harder than what you actually think that you're working on. Because सबको ऐसा लगता है कि we are working really hard. अरे सुबह से उठता हूँ रात तक. But there's somebody else who's working so much harder.
I think, I mean, I just want to say that we've all struggled. I think whether you make it or you don't make it, we all struggle. Destiny हमारी होती है, and you know, by God's grace, we are here. We are in this position.
नहीं, मेरी तो destiny आपकी hard work है. मेरी destiny है.
We've all struggled, and I think that but to be successful, the struggle and the obstacles, everything, like people think, I think that's the whole point, is that people think that it just comes and falls in your lap overnight. It doesn't happen like that, and we've all had our own struggles, and we still have our own struggles even today after becoming successful.
मेरे साथ थोड़ा सा लैप में आके मेरी डेस्टिनी गिर गई. आपको रोज कितने 3.5-4 घंटे ज़्यादा?
I think सबके अलग अलग struggles होते हैं. मेरा struggle वो है. You know, and
आपका struggle तो बहुत मेहनत है भाई. You can't reach this position if you're not in that field, if you're not focused, if you're not dedicated, if you don't make like billions of sacrifices, you can't reach this position. There's no way.
your dad also wanted some cricketers in his family.
Me to play cricket.
That didn't happen.
No, that could have happened. That could have happened really easily, but I just didn't see myself, going for cricket practice at 5:30 in the morning. So I
This is
decided.
honest.
No, and then this life as it is difficult for me. I think cricket would have been like very difficult for me. So Mr. Salim Durrani was hired to be my coach. So first day he saw me play, I played really well. Second day he saw me play, played really well. So he called my father the third day, says, your son is a lefty, right arm bowler, he's got a very bright future. That is the day I realized that my father came to see me play. I should play really badly. Because ऐसा लग रहा था कि before school भी पहुंचना used to be a big problem. कि 9 बजे I have to go and attend my first lecture. So I used to wake up at about 8:30 and then I used to barely manage to reach school on time. अब school से पहले ये, that means 5:30 बजे उठो, cricket practice. I didn't think. So I did a little bit of it and then I actually wanted to be a director. I was pushed into acting. I said, चलो अब ये चल रहा है तो ये चलने दो उसको.
Acha, Salman, tell us, do you ever get the time and do you take out time to watch Sania's matches?
Ooh. सच बोलना है.
I watch every game of hers.
Up such.
Every game of hers. In fact, I watch it like, sometimes even watch the repeats, okay? And I actually think she's playing them live. So, she's got this problem also with me, कि पूरी दुनिया ने मुझे congratulate कर लिया. Yeah. I said, you now wish. I said, now what have you done? Now how much more you want to win?
I always tell him, I'll say...
So I'm the last one to wish.
Yeah, he's always the last one to wish me and he's one of the closest people to me and I always tell him I don't bother because I know him. Like he doesn't even know where I am. Like he'll say, Acha, up next when are you going to come back? And I'll say, I'll come back to US Open and he has no idea what that means. He does not know. He does not know that could be next February and he does not know. So
It's not that I don't care. It's just
It's
that
you
I don't know.
When are we expecting your autobiography?
there's another
I
question
think I'll
after
take my story to my grave.
No. Don't do that.
नहीं तो बहुत सारे graves खुद जाएंगे.
He cannot control himself. He tries, but he cannot do it. He has to say something. Also, we all want to ask you when you're getting married. Yeah, this is the most important question.
18th November.
18th November.
18th November.
Of
ये
some year.
18th November ये कुछ 20-25 नवंबर से चल रहा है. 18 नवंबर होगा लेकिन पता नहीं कौन से साल में होगा लेकिन होगा.
It's okay. I think not many women are complaining that you're not married. I think that's fine.
No, I know a few.
Cannot help himself. He can't do it.
आपको नहीं पता कि मेरे पे कितना प्रेशर आता है. By the way, I know a few means I know a few women. That is my mother and my sisters, the 3.
Who want you to get married? Yeah, that's what you meant, na? Yeah. Just making it clear.